So if you have one of these CLA200s, right, this specific model here is a 2014. The sunroof, the cloth, you'll find that this stuff, it just sags, right? It just sags like crazy, it just won't come off. And if you want to try and look for videos online, you'll just find no one talking about it at all, which is crazy. So we're going to tell you how to do it. Essentially, you want to first take off the sunroof, right? That sunroof, first just take it off and you'll see that it comes out like that. There's 2 bolts right here on either side. What was the size? Do you remember? You remember what the size was? Okay, look, the point is it was a Torx bit. There's no size on it.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, look, the point is it was either a T25 or a T30. It was one or the other, right? But I mean, if you have a Torx kit, then you know it's pretty easy to find out what it is. Now, you literally just take out these 2 here, those 2 over there, and then you can slide the entire sunroof off, and now you can see everything from here. Next up, what you want to do is you want to take this off here. This literally was here before, and all we did was push it forward. There's like these small tabs on these parts, and the way to get it off is you have this rubber sealant. Just take it off. First take that off, and then you can pop the tabs. All we did from here was to be able to get this out, we just moved this forward, and we just played with it a bit in the sense of like moving it this way, and then yeah, it just pops out like this.
No, it's gonna be the hard part.
This part over here, you just pull it up and you'll find that it will come up. So when you're doing these sorts of things and you don't really know what the hell's going on, just look at the actual new part that you have and you'll see that, oh look, it has this. Oh look, it has this metal part. So then of course you have the metal part here and you have this, which means these need to come out somehow. Once you get both of these sides off, it should just be able to come off.
No, you slide this forward first.
Oh, yeah.
Slide force out of the way.
So first you slide, as Alvin said, first you slide this forward. It's out of the way. And then, go, can you move it up?
Now you need to push this up, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, yep,
Yeah,
cool.
that.
And that's that off. Now this is this off. Oh, will come off eventually.
It's got a bit of resistance because the spring's still there.
Mm. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
Then they put it backwards.
You gonna put it backwards? Alright, go put it backwards. Cool. Kind of annoying.
Don't break the actual thing. This is supposed to stay on it.
Oh yeah, you're right. You'll find that because this doesn't have that, which means this part right here needs to stay on it. So we need to be able to get that off while this stays on. So maybe getting a flathead and just like popping it up. When you take that out, you will have this tab right here. Alright, do the honors.
Done.
Alright, cool, it's off. Yep.
Cool. Next one.
Alright, the new one. Now, when you pop it back in, make sure the metal part, that golden metal part right there, goes underneath this black slit, and then just put this back over here. And then after you do that, you can just get one of these and put it straight back in again. The same clip that we took off just before. The moment you put that clip back in it, it might need a bit of force. Just push it down, making sure that this actually is in line with the actual track here. Yeah. The whole idea of this is just to pretty much put everything back in reverse order. So this clip thing here first, and then of course the rubber afterwards as well. And you'll see it. It has the tracks, and yeah, everything just goes on pretty easily. Once you've put on all these plastic clips and the actual rubber, you know, the what do you call this? The like weather, whatever it is.
Underneath the sunroof.
Yeah, the rubber stuff. Yeah, it's all good. You can just like push it down and, you know, make it feel nice. Then you can finally test it. So, give it a go. Oh, looks good. Back. Satisfaction? Satisfaction? Whatever that word is. You mean?
No, it's actually pretty insane.
Well, because we put it off for how long?
Like a couple of years or something.
Let's not talk about it. Now to put the sunroof on, just make it, you know, come back like this. Just slide it onto this part. And then, yeah, just put those two bolts on. And then you're done.